Hello, welcome back to our channel. So, what we are going to open up today is some ooshies. So, let me open it. What have I got here? Wow, nice. What else do I have? I can't wait to see what this is. Wow. Beautiful. Let's see what the next one is. Let's see if it's the same one I got for my first time. So let's go and check this out. A green. I think that's probably the same, but you should never know, everyone. So, let's see what this is. Wow. What is that? White and black. Wow. Jesus. Let's see what else I got. Oh, to how long I'm filming for. So, come on, you can open it. Another one of those. Great. Another one of my ooshies, which is probably the same I got. Oh, sorry everyone, Let's see what this is I got. Wow, beautiful. It's just the camera, come on. Golden. Let's see what I've got. Are you sure that's the same? Also, yeah. Let's see what this is. Wow. Grey. And I'm going to open up the last one. And then I'm going to stop filming for this. Wow. Cool. For now, I'm going to stop filming. So, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and bye. See you next time to my another video. Bye.